Well, once a week, I'd like to do just a basic 20,000 foot review, maybe fly down a little lower, a 10,000 foot review of just Live Good, okay? And tell you about results or what's going on with the company, any gossip, what's happening, okay? If you're not in Live Good, joincory.com. You'll see that link below this video, and we'll go over all that stuff later. I just want to share my screen and just share my story. Live Good came around December 13th of 2022, okay? Let's see, I think I joined March or April, so about 4 or 5 months after, about 4 months after they said ready, set, go, I came aboard. But, you know, clear back, I was buying the products. I was buying products called Super Reds and Super Greens, and I'm still a big fan. You just mix them in water or something and drink away, and I think the energy and health benefits kick ass. What I really liked about it is I was saving like $40 a month from buying Super Beets. Okay, Dr. Gundry, he and I have the same Santa beard. I was doing the Super Beet thing in tiny little jars, like $60. And then I found Super Reds, containers 3 times bigger for only $18, and it's even organic where Super Beets isn't. So I just started buying the Super Beets, and then I bought the Super Greens because it was right next to it on the web page. And after a month or two, I was buying it just retail, like going to Walmart. And then a membership is $10. So I was spending about, oh God, $60-70 a month, but being a member shaved off like half. So to spend $10 a month, I was saving like 35 to 40. I'm like, well, that's a no-brainer. All that extra money, I can buy Hot Wheels and Legos. So I become an affiliate right around March going into April. $40 one-time fee. I thought, no, I'll give her hell. Maybe I can make $50 a month to justify my $50 a month that I'd like to spend on products. And I just started doing video, posting a little bit, and bam, I had people signing up. A couple buddies just in Salt Lake City. The one that freaked me out was when South Korea signed up. And I'm like, wow, this is a thing. Because this is in the beginning of Live Good. No one knew that we're going to have 1.1 million people in a year and a half, $12 million a month, 225 countries. No one could predict this. We could just sit back and go, okay, well, let's hold on and let's see what kind of ride this is going to be. And now I can speak rather confidently about the company. Its goal or 5-year mission, like Star Trek would be with Captain Spurt and Spock. What was his name? Spock? I don't even remember their names. I'm just kidding. Oh, I can never be serious in a video. But yeah, I can see Live Good being a household name. It's just a website that's a membership-based thing. $10 a month, you go to livegood.com, whatever is inside that thing product-wise, you just shop. Some t-shirts, some hats, got some cool stuff. That's it, kid. Okay, $10 a month or $100 for the year. You get 12 months for the price of 10. If you use the products, 90 days. Use the products, all of them. And if you don't like any of them, you think they're boring, just send back wrappers, containers, the lid, something. Just send it back to Jupiter, Florida. They'll refund all your money. So right there, I was a big fan product-wise. But when I started making money and signing up people and Live Good, there's no doubt about it. It's exciting. It's kind of like, I don't know, like you sports gamble. Or do you put like $20 on red and spin the wheel and go, oh my God, if it lands on red or black or maybe blackjack in Vegas, you put in $5 or $10 and it's kind of how it is for me, getting up every day going, gosh, is someone going to join? And then they do. And you feel so good. And then they join again and again. Okay. It got me a big fan of this company. Products, we're going to be in a lot of different categories. We specialize, it's pretty obvious, health. Okay. Getting your body in good shape, vitamins and minerals and methylene blue, collagen, essential oils. But we're going to go into different divisions, and we're going to have hundreds and hundreds of products. Right now, we only have like 30 products, and we're doing 12 million a month already. Okay, I mean, imagine when we have 300 to 400 products just for wholesale. Can you imagine how many people are going to sign up to be affiliates like me, and hopefully you if you're watching? Okay, or if you're in Live Good right now, just hang on tight. Just start talking about it. Don't over talk about it. I still recommend this. Every video you'll see me. I just bought a box of business cards at Vistaprint. 25 bucks. You know, they came like in a week. And I just bought this at, what's it called? GoDaddy. And then I forward this. GoDaddy forwards this clink to the Live Good capture page. Okay. And I just keep it simple. And you can see like every day I get 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can see like just about every day, you know, let's just go back 20 days. Look, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Look, 19 people. Okay, 19 people have joined. And it's March. What is today again? It's March 20th. All right, here it is a year later. And I'm still signing up people left and right. I think there's less competition now because most people that signed up a year ago, they kind of lose interest. Are you guys like that where you sign up and the first month or two you're gung-ho and then all of a sudden you're like, you're just using Live Good products but not really promoting, you know, to be an affiliate. And that's okay, man. Once you're an affiliate for that 40 bucks, you're an affiliate for life. You never lose that status. So even if you take 6 months off and you don't even pay 10 bucks a month, when you come back in, let's say November, take the summer off, work on your tan, come back in, you don't have to pay the 40 again. Just resume 10 a month. And you're like, I am now. I'm a member kicking ass as an affiliate, you know, making moolah, you know. So my goal is if you join me, I want to give you just good support. All right. I want to get you training. There's an app you download. And that way, yeah, you can ask questions 24 hours a day, 3 in the morning, 3 in the afternoon. You know, it doesn't matter. Out of 1.1 million people, you can see I'm number 10. There's Live Good Draper. There's your boy. All right, you can see I'm going pretty good. And there's my good buddy. I love Eric. Eric's such a cool guy. I dig Edward too. It seems like all my best buddies in Live Good start with an E. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of people that do well. But I love it. Yeah, to be top 10 in a company like this, it makes me proud because I'm not an affiliate marketer, a network marketer. My background is not this type of business where I have a big list. I generate the list now. All I care about is March 20th of 2024 and on. I don't care about technology. I don't care what happened even 6 months ago. What happens now, and as I press record and I upload videos, that's all I care about, guys. If something doesn't work, I don't make videos about it. Okay? I'm at the point now where I'm really good at using certain tools and software to get people to look at just Live Good and the multiple income funnel. And those two things, they're money. They're money in the bank. I know every day that I get up and just chit chat a little bit about some opportunities, which is basically promoting a link. My work is done. There's nothing else to do. Live Good does the product, shipping, handling, returning, credit card charging, all the stuff like that. Thank you, Live Good. All right. High five to everyone at the warehouses shipping worldwide. It's hard work. I've done it. I've done it a lot, guys. I know blue collar work real well, let me tell you. And when it comes down to being an affiliate like this, it is a good feeling when you start making money online while you're in an air-conditioned building, heat. Maybe you're at a desk like I'm at right now and you can just chat to a webcam. I think it's called a Logitech 920. They're about 70 bucks. They're probably 50 on Amazon. They're probably half that. I bought this thing years ago. But if you can talk on a video like this, great. But you're going to email. If you join me, you're going to do emails. Okay? We're going to get you some business cards and get yourself a domain name from like a GoDaddy place and just get you in the right mindset and have some fun. If you get into the multiple income funnel, all it is a website that has 4 incomes, 4 businesses. One of them is Live Good. One of them is Traffic Authority, which is great education that you can make commissions with. People buy leads, traffic, education from them. Why not get a little bit of money? One of the other streams is My Lead Gen. They've been around for years. It's $1 a day, 30 bucks a month to get 3,000 or more good email leads. Blast them out every day. And then the funnel itself. Someone needs a website where you can kind of brand yourself. You can put your income opportunities in a website. You can't do that on Live Good. Live Good is Live Good. It's the products. It's the pay plan. It's their website, thus livegood.com. You can go to Facebook. I mean, you can kind of brand yourself. And what I mean by that is, hi, I'm Cory Draper. This is what I do. Here's my video. Here's my picture. Here's my opportunity. But still, Facebook owns that. But I still like to have my own website. Call me crazy, but whatever your budget, time, belief system is, if you're new and you're kind of nervous, take baby steps. Let's just get you in LiveGood. Let's get you a domain name, maybe some business cards. That way on a street level, hey, Bob, what's going on? Here you go, kid. Check it out. I never talk about LiveGood on a street level. If you and I are together, we're talking about Legos, Hot Wheels, we're talking about muscle cars, or we're talking about the Bay City Rollers. But boy, one thing I don't talk to once this camera's off is LiveGood. Because all the videos, they can do it better. And if people aren't into it, that's cool. Because I'm going to make a sandwich. All right, you're going to make a sandwich. And people that don't want to do this type of business, let them go make a sandwich. You don't want to waste anyone's time. It's awkward anyway when someone has to pretend that they're interested in something and they're not. The best invention, really, besides baby wipes and chapstick, cell phone. Okay, let people learn about LiveGood and the multiple income funnel and any opportunity you're in. If there's videos that recruit and train, aren't you like me? You'd rather just go, okay, thanks, man. I'll look at the opportunity when I get home. And if you do get home or you're sitting in your car, you just sit and watch that dang phone. You know, if you're in movie mode, you know, maybe just watch. You'll be like, you'll go, oh, I'll be damned. That darn LiveGood is cool. And then if they're interested, I don't care. I got plenty of time for people that want to make a decision and join my group, my team, my link. Okay, that's an honor to me, especially when I'm making money from you or a person. All right, it's just the way I was raised. I'm an upline guy. I feel like I need to help you at least get traction and setup. And in a course that I believe works. That's all I can do is say, this is working for me. You can watch other videos, other leaders, other people with advice, but if you're going to be with me, when we go fishing, we're going with 5 fishing poles. We don't take 1 apiece, we take 5. Okay? When I do business with LiveGood, I've got 2 or 3 multiple income streams that all completely look at baby LiveGood and protect my little baby while the seed gets nice fertilizer, some sunshine, some water, and I build that little LiveGood into a little cute little baby boy or maybe that adorable little girl. But I don't just sit there and let it just sit there. All right? In my opinion, it's not going to be safe like that. It might be okay, but I'm not that type. I'm not that guy. If I'm on the Titanic, I'm going to get about 5 boats tied together. I'm going to get 5,000 people, and I'm going to do whatever it takes. I'm getting to New York. Okay? I'm getting to New York. If I'm in the middle of the woods and I have Bigfoot running after me, I'm going to go, dude, now look, you sit your ass down, and I'm taking a selfie, and we're going live on Facebook. I'm filming Bigfoot. Okay? We are documenting stuff. We're going to have some fun, and we're going to make sure LiveGood over the next couple of years has time to grow and get to a household name status. I really believe that that's going to help you. If you went up to someone right now and you said, hey, you know, Amazon, that's pretty cool biz. What do you think? Most people are like, well, yeah, I mean, you pay for Amazon Prime if you want, or you can just go shop if you want. That's how LiveGood is. There's nothing different. You like the products? Go buy them. That's what I did. I wasn't even a member. I became a member like Amazon Prime. Free shipping, and you do get other benefits with Amazon. But everyone knows Amazon. You heard of McDonald's? Heard of Samsung? Heard of Costco? Heard of Netflix? You've heard of so many cool businesses out there. But I could name 100 right now probably that are membership-based. And people voluntarily pay that membership because they usually want to save money. They don't pay for a membership other than maybe they like a membership to a golf course so they can put a little white hole in a black ball. All right? I've done that a lot. I've never been golfing, but I can equate the little white balls trying to find a hole. But I'm not going to join a membership to do that. I'll just try to do that on a Saturday night. Okay. All right. It's always fun doing video. God, I love video. Thank you, whoever invented YouTube and the cell phone it's just mind blowing what you can do. If you need any information about everything I just talked about, just write me, inbox me. All my contact information is always below or beside or somewhere in the video, okay? And on top of that, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to just promote everything that I do that works. And if one day you don't hear me talk about a certain thing, it just means, hey, maybe it tapped out or burned out, but if it ain't making me money, All right. Aloha. See you later, kid. Let that little door hit you on the little bum on the way out, okay? But we want to focus on positive things, and we want to focus on things that work, okay? That's my opinion. That's just the way I do business, okay? And I'm really good at this business right now. So thank you. Like I said, I know the time of 15 minutes you can't get back, but boy, if you're looking for a home-based opportunity, now's the time to join. The first year of LiveGood, we've got distribution centers. We have more products. In the first year, I could be 500,000 people. I don't care how many people are in LiveGood. Only 1% are going to follow through like what I'm doing right now and what you're going to do if you join me. Okay. No saturation. There's 0.0 competition. Okay. Climb aboard. Let's have some fun. Thanks guys for your time. All right. I got some more videos coming up right after this. Take care. Bye.